Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In today's episode, we are going to learn about the JavaScript assignment operators. In the last episode, we learned about the arithmetic operators. Make sure that you go through them. In fact, go through all the previous episodes in order to have continuity to your learning. Today, we are learning about assignment operators, and this particular series I'm planning around 43 episodes. We are at episode number 11. Alright, so a quick note on operators. Operators are the building blocks in implementing the business logic of our program. A program in the particular entirety of its life cycle can contain multiple and several operators at any point. Alright, we talked about the different types of operators. There is arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, string, and bitwise operators. We already covered arithmetic. Today we are covering assignment operator. So assignment operator is typically performed on two variables. Okay, not numbers actually, but two variables. Now that number, especially when you do addition, subtraction, multiplication, those are on the numbers, but assignment, which is equal to operator, can be done on two variables. Let's go ahead and I'll show you different hands-on activity. Let me bring up the editor, and in this I'm going to create a new file for you, and this will be assignment operators.html. Now, one of the most basic things of writing is you will have a HTML followed by the head followed by the body. This is the most basic structure of HTML. Now you can have different types of scripts. You can have internal or external script. I'm using internal script for now. I'm using let a equal to 10. So here you see this is the first assignment operator, which is equal to. What this does is that it would give the value 10 to a. So think of it that way. Whatever value is there on the right side will be given to the variable on the left side. Now it can be a string as well. It can be an integer, it can be a string, it can be a boolean value like true or false, anything. So equal to operator will just assign the value on right side to the left side. In fact, you can also assign a variable to another variable. Now this means you're assigning the value of true to d. Same way if I do d equal to a, which means I'm assigning the value 10 to d. Now, how do you use the other assignment operators? Now let's say I have something here, and I can also say a, let's say e or a plus equal to 10. Right? Now what this does is it will assign take the value of a and then add 10 to it. So if you do a console log here, you will see the value is 10 plus 10. Okay, this expression means a is equal to a plus 10. Okay, it's a shorthand annotation for instead of writing this entire thing, we can just write plus equal to. Let me show you in action. Open it in Finder, right click and open with any browser of your choice. Right click and do inspect, and in the console log you can see the value as 20 because initial value was 10 and we did a is equal to plus equal to 10. Now if I do 100, now it is 110, right? So it will just do a addition. Same way you can also do subtraction. Now you can say a minus equal to 20. So this will reduce 20 from a. So see, now it is 90, right? 110 minus 90. So it is giving value to a. It is actually changing the value of a. So initial value was 10. We added 100 to it. It became 110. Now we are doing minus 20. So the output is now 90. Okay, that is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to. Same way you can also do multiplication and say multiply equal to 100. So this is again shorthand for a is equal to a into 100. This is a shortcut of writing. Just write asterisk equal to 100, it will multiply it by 100. Now if you do a console log and check, it is saying 9000. All right, and same way you can do a divided modulo, say 5, and do console log. So you can see it is saying 0 because the remainder, this will give you the remainder, right? Remainder of divided by 5, right? So if you divide it, it will give you 1800. Okay, so these are the different types of assignment operators we have in JavaScript. Now these are all I'm showing you arithmetic, but the first one, which is equal to operator, can be done on strings, can be used to assign boolean value, or can be used to assign another variable. Okay, so these are the different types of assignment operators JavaScript supports. All of this will be required in some or the other way when you work in real-time applications. Especially, let's say you're doing some kind of computing, you're adding, minus, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. You will need all these operators. That is all assignment operators in JavaScript. In the next episode, we will learn about the JavaScript logical operators. Yet another important, very important aspect, because when you have to write your business logic, you might want to club one or more logic in one place. That's where logical operators comes handy. We'll learn about it in the next episode. Please do like this tutorial. Please do share it with your friends. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.